Hi everybody, welcome to this week 5 module video. So we are in the fifth week of the semester and we're moving quite along with content. So hopefully you guys are staying on track, or if you're not, hopefully that you are starting to turn the corner and get back on track, okay? So if you're watching this video, you know where to find it in this week 5 module video. But let's go ahead and take a look at what this week's going to cover, assignments, and etc. So, week 5 module, learning objectives and overview. So we really are going to look at two sections here, two objectives, looking at linear models and nonlinear models. So we're going to look at two types of linear models, exponential growth and decay models, and Newton's law of cooling and heating model. And then we'll wrap it up with a logistic growth model, which is a nonlinear uh, mathematical model. So those are the main two concepts for this week. So hopefully you're doing the same thing. You're watching this video. You are watching lecture videos for our two sections. You're participating in the homework discussion for homework 5. You're completing homework 5. Homework 5 is just on section 3.1, and the lab assignment, we have a lab for 3.2. So there's no homework questions for section 3.2, but I do have a lab for it for you to work on. Okay, so let's move through a couple of the things in the module. So for homework 5 is just about section 3.1. So it's only about these four questions, 1, 3, 5, 13. So that's all for homework 5 you got to do, okay? And then for section 3.2, there is a lab assignment. So, this is assessing you on your student learning outcome 3, just being able to look at a first or second differential equation and create real data or scientific scenarios and interpretation. So that's lab 3.2. So let's look at a quick preview of it. Here is lab 3.2. Just a couple quick questions. Take your time with this. Follow the directions, take your time, and give it a shot. So, extra credit question, but it's a lab, so it's meant to be get you thinking a little bit. It's not just straight questions out of the textbook, but give it a shot, take your time, and see how you can handle it. All right. But that's our assignments. There's no quiz this week. Our assignments are just the homework and lab, both due next Thursday. So you have some time. What else can I say? Here's some notes. We're covering two sections. Lecture video. Most of the content is in section 3.1. Got about like 6 videos here. So make sure you watch them. Make sure you check them out. Pause the video, take notes, and this is what most of the homework is going to be on. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this week. Okay, most of the content is 3.1. 3.2 is mainly the lab. Uh, that you want to check out, okay? So, week 5 module conclusion. Hopefully just do all these things, watch lecture videos, discussion board, homework assignment, lab, and this will take us into our first exam, which is going to take place next week. Okay, so we're wrapping up all the learning unit for the first one, mainly just first order and mainly linear differential equations. And in the next section, we're going to look at higher order differential equations, so second order, and we'll kind of stay right there, okay? But yeah, this wraps up our material, exam next week, and we'll see how that goes, all right? But if you have any questions, just let me know. Good luck this week if you have other exams. But yeah, take care and have a good week. Okay.